Hello everyone, welcome. I'm going to try to make this 2 minutes or less. We're in Hollywood, Florida. I'm going to show you this. Got a couple lights. Alright, this is the street down here and a sidewalk. That's the beach, and all that back there is the ocean. And these two lights have anomalies coming off of them. Almost always. Many, many times. They're not as ugly as they used to be. And they're not as quick moving as they used to be. Because they used to be really ugly and quick moving and fascinating and big, really big. And they used to have real scary ones. I shouldn't say scary. Amazing ones all over the place. I mean, you wouldn't believe it. But, yeah, so Hollywood, Florida. And that's a bike with lights. But don't ask me what this stuff is. I think it has to do with moisture and energy. That's all I can really tell you. I know it's live. It's alive. For sure. So, yeah, that's all I know. And this one here is getting ready to manifest a new one. As I can see the bottom of it right here. And it's going to draw off this one right here. And it'll grow up here. But that's the gist of everything here. And that's the pattern over the last couple of years. They're just easier on the eye now. They're not so aggressive looking. They used to be scary. I'll put up a video on it. One of the old ones so you can see what it looks like. Alright. I'll see you on the next stop. Bye-bye.